the corporate veil, and it can open you up to lawsuits that will cause you to lose your business assets because you didn't have a clear separation of both assets.
Yeah.
And a corporation is also registered under the Department of State of Pennsylvania. And there's a lot of differences, but the main difference is that it can become a publicly traded company. You can actually put it on the New York Stock Exchange, and there's double taxation on corporations. You get hit with self-employment tax and basically the other type of tax with corporation. And that's reserved for, I would say, certain businesses. Like you, that's why I say you have to sit down with a professional who can learn about your business, what you're trying to do, what are your plans for the future, and then that professional can help you decide if it's best to register as a LLC or a corporation.
Yeah. No, that's I like what you said about the corporate bail because a big issue you also see as a lender is that sometimes business owners commingle personal finances and business finances. And if you think about it, one, if you have not studied business or anything related to business, you started a business, you wouldn't know that. So one, that it makes sense that a lot of business owners don't make the separation. But once you find out, it is good that you take that into consideration and practice it and separate your personal assets versus your business assets. Because a lot of business owners are the only owner of the business. They don't have like a partner or somebody else, so they don't feel the need to have a separate bank account where everything can be tracked and both partners can know what's going on. And so, in their mind, it's like, well, this is my business. Everything that's coming in, it's mine, and I just pay as I see that I need to pay for, rent or supplies. So, but even if it's only you, as you said, you want to separate. You want to have that corporate bail,
Yeah,
from your LLC and your
because
personal.
it's like you call it a separate entity,
Yeah,
and you make it easier for your accountant or bookkeeper to
yeah,
actually keep track of it. When we feed the bank transactions into our software that we use for accounting, it makes it easier if everything is business related and we don't have to pick and choose what is business and
yeah,
what is personal. That's why you have to separate both things.
yeah, 100%. Now, I guess the one last question before we wrap up, I want to ask you. I know Philadelphia has a new program for business owners that need help filing taxes. Can you share more about what that program is and just how business owners can take advantage of it?
Oh yeah, so that program is actually an initiative by Mayor Sherelle Parker and her administration. I believe they allocated around maybe $7 million to the program or eight. I'm not
Something like
sure of the
that.
exact
Yeah.
number. Yeah, so I think they allocated $8 million to the program, and what it is essentially the city offering free tax preparation for business owners. And what it is a initiative by the Department of Commerce, and is to so business owners don't have an excuse to not file their taxes properly, right? They're connecting business owners with qualified professionals so they can file the taxes for those people, and the business owners don't have to pay for anything. That's the Department of Commerce looking to grow the development of the businesses, and like Mayor Cheryl Parker said, do something called economic empowerment for all. She want to make sure that everybody has the ability to participate in commerce and grow economically. And basically, this initiative allows you to it opens the door for a lot of things. You as a lender know that if people have their taxes prepared properly by a professional and done the right way, you can actually get loans, you can get grants, you can
Yeah.
get money for working capital, equipment purchase. It opens the door for impact to actually give you the funds that you need to be successful.
Yeah, no, that's a good point. And I would say anyone that's watching, please reach out to professional. Obviously, I'm having one right in front of me with Frank. So, Frank, how can people find you guys? How did they contact you if they were interested in your services?
Okay, if people are were interested in my services, our services, what they could do is reach out to our phone number, which is 215-833-4865. And I'll repeat again, 215-833-4865. Or look us up on our Instagram handle, which is like-minded uh, scroll down solutions. So that's like-minded. Uh, the what is that called? The
Score?
scroll underscore
Yeah.
solutions, and they can also visit us at 265 West Bristol Street, Philadelphia, PA 19140, and or email us at info at likemindedsolutionsllc.com.
Awesome. Well, Frank, thank you so much for doing this interview with me and talking about how business owners can get ready for tax season or start, working with professionals like you and take advantage of the programs that the city of Philadelphia has and beyond. So, thank you so much.
Thank you for the opportunity. And last thing I would like to say that I encourage people to seek professional help and make sure that they take taxes and their tax preparation as serious as it is, because, like I said, it's a fiscal responsibility that you have with
Yeah.
the IRS. And if you don't do it properly, it can actually be detrimental to your business.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank